G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I'm here in Sydney and having an amazing time, and I've got a fantastic speaker that I was listening to today, and she's going to tell you who she is and what she does to make a difference in the world.
Oh, hello, thank you, Kath Molloy. I'm Molloy, and I'm up here from Canberra. And what I do is I am given the message to embrace the chaos in this ever so changing and noisy world. And it's in order to break through the resistance so we can come out on the other end with resilience. And yeah, and to have fun with it. That's what I'm here for.
Fantastic. So in life, we want to have fun.
Yeah.
And we do need to break through resistance that we create blocks ourselves, don't we?
Yes, for sure, for sure.
I think sometimes we get stuck in our own heads. And are you doing this with school children now?
Yes, so I love going into the primary schools. I have two little boys of my own who are 5 and 3, and so the main thing I want them to take away with them in life is resilience. And so that's what my aim is, to go into the schools and share my fun and my joy, and to bring them up to embrace what their inner being is, so they can have their own homing device. And I love it.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Have a great Monday and embrace
Embrace.
change, embrace that resilience, and have fun.
Thank
Speak
you.
soon.